The ball in Kotoko's team, but that was quite poor.
Well, 2 away points all came in one. All draw games against Karela United and Young Apostles. Brekum Chelsea's away points. The 2 wins. Howard United, as Chelsea begin to find some space up front and looking to move around the Asante Kotoko defensive line, and now they concede a free kick. Much of a concern there, Brekum Chelsea. And that's around there from Faisal Shaibu. He joined from Pack Academy last season, and one of the top scorers of Brekum Chelsea, together with the captain Prince Anani. To the 2 sides, and they don't have a free kick. It's been hit against the wall there and goes off. Came off the body of Samba O'Neill, and so it's going to be a corner kick advantage there, Brekum Chelsea. They're trying to get back into the game there, and so they Chelsea, another ball whipped into the near post and cleared by Morfin Donso. Had to move back into defensive duties. Donso now defending here, and Amwa and Kamara coming into Kojo. I'm seeing Kotoko trying to come in here very strong, neat and tidy. There's another injury scenario there, just around the center circle here.
I think that was quite a late challenge there. Quite a late challenge coming in. Kwampoko would allow Murphy Donzo to move a lot more. He can actually take on 1 or 2 players. The creativity would also come from Saka Dauda. It looks more like Kotoko switching into a 4-4-2 the moment, leaving Saka and Pitamido on the flanks. A double, Hubert Gyau, left in central with Kwame Poku playing right behind Morfin Donzo in attack. He needs a lot of attackers. I think bringing Kwame Poku on is instinctive. Hopefully he offers him a lot more effort on target.
Samba O'Neill trying to stop that one there, and Chelsea may have a chance to get a goal there, but Kamara coming to the rescue, and Kotoko once again escaping that attacking onslaught there from Brekum Chelsea as they chose to turn defense into attack. For Midiama, they home and dry with a 2-0 win against Young Apostles, so they sit on top of the Premier League table. They currently haven't really moved up pretty much well on the Premier League table. Indiana Stars. Saka Dauda, switch play, swinging one to the far side. Amidu Wakwa just couldn't get the ball in play. Once again, Indiana Stars at home do 1-0 with Karela. Game still ongoing. Asiedu is probably up on his feet there. It's going to be a foul here for the Porcupine Warriors as we approach 20 more minutes to go plus stoppage time.
You can see Mbaulu Fumo not happy with an incident.
Samuel Badu has been shown a yellow card there, and his demonstration clearly telling you that he's not a happy man at all. Well, again, you can see it's going to be a red card, and Samuel Badu has been sent off. The coach of Brekum Chelsea has been given the marching orders. He's clearly not a happy man, arguing with the referee over some decisions there. Initially it was a yellow card, and now referee
So that would have been difficult.
Amidu Wakwa. Samba O'Neill. And again, ball repelled beautifully there by Adrian Kufuor-Samoa.
It's quite interesting why Koto continue to whip the ball in. But they've been so unsuccessful every time. Edwin Kufuor-Samoa stepping in to make the clearance. They'd have to change.
Yeah, but corner kick taken to near post and it's been repelled once again. Ball sent into the path of Lord Amwa. Looking to cross one into the box. Prince Badu. The balls into the box has really worked out for Asante Kotoko.
Both organizations seem to be a bit problematic. They've been scattered all around.
Now they have a chance to kill this one into the 18 arms of goalkeeper.
Put them. Shows us his first game with Chelsea, and he's actually having. Put them. Shows us his first game with Chelsea, and he's actually having.
And here they go again, Saka Dauda. Murphy Donsu. On the charge here on the right hand side is Saka Dauda again, and this time is Murphy Donsu! Kwampoku was the opportunity. I'll tell you what, he just got into a very. Return to the field by Kwampoku. And Kotoko just looking forward to see exactly what happens. Saka Dauda. Searching play finds Lord Amwa. Charging here on the right. Lord Amwa with a cross into the box, and again Kotoko not able to connect beautifully. But the Pokemon will have possession right in front of Brecum Chelsea's 18-yard box, and again the attacking play will have to stop here. Prince Badu with the final touch and a strike.
To push, resulting in them making a number of mistakes.
Here comes the opportunity. Amiduako cutting in again is a corner kick. Just the last person to tapping for the goal there has been the bane of Kotoko. They've been brilliant in terms of the attacking play, but haven't really been able to. Another corner kick to the far post. Their goalkeeper is always going to take this one. It's just a training grounds routine corner kick taken there by Kotoko. They haven't really been able to hit the set piece at the right spot. Gaston Japan with the ball here. Again, Kotoko giving the ball away. And now it's going to be Badu. And again, have Kwachi here for Chelsea. And it's going to be the turn of Chelsea now to find space and trying to head this one. Good play now from Brecum Chelsea, and it's going to come off the body of Badu. And Prince Badu coming in, throwing most of his body into the ground there to salvage the situation. Just having to make a change, and so it's going to be the introduction of Manuel entry. It's coming in for Hubert Gyau. And then Johnson Opongo Wusu. Now they're given a chance to come in here.
Looks more like Zito wants to go central. Johnson upon also is a striker. Now 3 strikers on the pitch for Kotoko. All the attacking. More of a creative spark. Has the ability to hit the ball from range.
Entry just coming back after tying a knot some weeks ago. Goal for Kotoko at the Accra Stadium when they played against 11 Wonders. Opportunity now for the Pokemon Warriors, sometimes not coming in, thinking fast. And able to win back possession beautifully. And Lord Amwa trying to cut in here on the right hand side, but unable to pick up the ball here. And Johnson conceding the throw in while they've been dominating the ball away, and having Gaston and Japan picking it up for Brecum Chelsea with just 2 minutes and another time to go here at the Brecum at Babayara Stadium. Still not the performance Kotoko expect. They want to drop in some point there. They have lost the match 17 to All Blacks, and the 18 was supposed to be a match where the fans were looking for a win, but it appears the Pokemon Warriors haven't been able to come. Again, just seeing how the two teams are coming in again, but moving it down into Dominic from Paul's path here, right in front of Kotoko's penalty area. And here comes Badu. And Chelsea beginning to see plenty of the ball here. And just have to get the goalkeeper involved in the action for re-entry. Well, 5 minutes about the time.
And I think it's been fair. Not so many stoppages.
Again, Zimbabwe Chelsea having to stop off from Pong, but able to win the ball here. Again, Kotoko really struggling at the moment.
Yeah, he got.
I'm going to go with a long drive here, Brickham Chelsea.
See, that was the intent there, but not really favourable hit from Vincent Edweji.
Johnson. Kenny. Oh, the fans really not happy at all.
Manuel Enchi known for better hits. It was quite a